Hi, this is Peter with Army Navy Outdoors. I'm here to talk to you about a really badass helmet. So this is the IHPS, the Integrated Helmet Protection System. It came out in 2019 and issued to U.S. Army soldiers in replace of the Advanced Combat Helmet. This is about 5% lighter than its predecessor. It weighs around 3 pounds. The helmet already comes mounted with NVG on the front, your NVG mount. It gives you a little bit more protection on the ears too, but it's not quite a low cut, so it is more comfortable than its predecessor. It also gives you plenty of room for comms and doesn't get in your way. If you're familiar with helmets, these pads come out. You can move them around if you need to. You can replace them, get them to really custom fit. It's a 4-point adjustment system that comes standard. You just flip these up, adjust the straps, and get it to exactly the way you want it with your chin strap. It also comes with a multicam cover. It comes with your side mounts and rails. It is made by Avon. Again, US made, Army issue. We have a lot of them, but they're not going to last forever, and this is a great addition to have in your team.